Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper in the additional of a Monday, yes, Monday August the 9th, 2021. We have here in this additional six puzzles. The first one is a letter Sudoku, then we have a 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with a 1 star, and a binary puzzle. Total of 6 extra puzzles. By the way, the previous Sudoku, a regular Sudoku, Sudoku medium, I've made a mistake. It's not 3127, it's 3217. Alright. Made a mistake with the numbering. So this one will be a number 3 2 1 8. Yes, 3 2 1 8. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. The 3 stars Sudoku has always 25 printed digits. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number shall I pick? How about the 4 in the first column? 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3. 4 missing numbers in this second column. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Oh, all right. So, let me see. 1, 8, 2. Okay. We have an 8 in this row and 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this row. The last row, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this big square, so no 1 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 numbers in the last row? Here we have 1 and a 4. Those 2 numbers should be the 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Oh, alright, 3 in the last row. 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 1 and a 4. So the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. Alright. And we have a pair, the 9 and the 5 in this row. The 9 and the 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 and the 5 are those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and the 5, 9 and the 5. So 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 is missing, yes. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row will be 3. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. 1 and the 7 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. All right, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 3 and the 9 are missing. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this third column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. All right. So now, we have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. All right. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. All right. Let me focus. Yes. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. All right. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing number here in the last column is the number 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Therefore, no 4 here. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. All right. Now I cannot continue with the 4. I need to wait. How about the number? The number, let me see. Mm-hmm. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. All right. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. And look, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last column. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 1 and the 9 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the second row. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 2 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 are missing. 8 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8 and the 9. Well, here I say I have 9 and a 5. But we already have a 5 there, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be an 8. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Alright. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 2. 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8. 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. 1 number left in this column for the number 2, I believe. Yeah, 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so in that column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 8, we see here and 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 1 and 8 again, we see here and 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Is this really a 3 stars? No. Is this a 2 stars? No, I rather think it's a 1 star. Because I'm faster than 50 minutes. Alright. Because for 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 50 minutes. So I'm well, well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later. Yes, later with the second puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. And I can remember last week, this tectonic, I need more than 30 minutes to solve. So I hope this one will be also a 4 stars. Anyway, see you then. Bye-bye for now.